Today we're going to focus specifically on our wrists and our fingers for beautiful and elegant styling. We're going to start with our right wrist. You're going to bring your elbow up, and your goal is to keep your elbow in place. Your thumb is going to start facing your head. You're going to turn your palm away from you, so to the right side of your room, and you're going to drop your hand down and then bring it around. So drop the palm down, turn the thumb towards you, bring the fingertips up and around. And as you do this, not worrying too much about the fingers right now, just focusing on the wrist, you'll see that you're creating this little circular motion with your wrist, keeping your elbow nice and steady. Let's go ahead and do the same thing with our left hand. Palm faces towards the front of your room, thumb towards ear side. You're going to turn the palm towards the left side of your room and rotate that wrist. So do these a couple times. The most important thing here is keep that elbow in place so you're truly working your wrist and you're not working your whole arm. Let's try both arms now. We're bringing the wrists in first. So we're going towards our face or towards the ears, and then palms face away from our body. Towards our body, away, towards, and away. Now let's go the opposite way. So you're gonna turn your palms towards the back of your room. Again, not moving the elbows in space, keeping them where they are. So palms come up, pinky side of the hand comes back behind you and down. So this is the opposite direction. And really what it matters is where you start. Think about the thumb side or the pinky side of our hand. So if we're bringing the thumb side in and around, it's like we're drawing a little circle in space with our thumb. If we go the other way, we're using the pinky side of our hand and we're drawing little circles with our pinky. It kind of helps to think of thumb or pinky so you can just focus on one thing to get those rotations. So now, both hands up. We're gonna go thumb side first, 2 in towards us and stop, and then 2 out and stop. 2 in and 2 out. So those will be our wrist rotations. We're going to now activate our fingers. So we can make the conscious choice to either keep our fingertips engaged or keep our fingertips relaxed. And both have their purpose, and both are good to feel confident with. So first, our engagement for our fingers. If you stick your arm out just to help with that full extension feeling, because we are extending our fingers, you're gonna put energy in your fingertips. So there's lots of energy going through our fingertips. From here, so just go ahead and stretch the hand out as much as you can. Press those fingers out and away from each other and up like they're elongating out to the sides. And then relax. And again, press and relax. Now what you want to do, as you take that press, you're going to bring the fingers a little bit closer together, and you're going to activate especially the middle finger and the thumb so they start to draw towards each other. You'll notice if you look at your fingertips in the mirror, you won't see all your fingers in line with each other like so. You'll see that middle finger dropping down away from the rest of your fingertips to create that. The last layer to this is you want a soft bend in the wrist. So it's like instead of just pushing out with the fingers, you're dropping down like you're reaching to pick something up. And that little bend motion with the wrist, you're gonna hold that so there's just a slight curve here. Let's try it with the left hand. Same thing. So push, activate all those fingertips and your thumb. Relax it slightly. Drop the thumb and the middle finger down and go ahead and reactivate and energize all those fingertips again, noticing that your middle finger is dropped down more than the rest of your fingers. And then we'll go ahead and bend the wrist slightly by dropping the middle finger down towards the floor on both hands. Nice. So to practice that a couple times, we're going to extend the arms, relax the fingertips, and then engage. Relax, engage, relax, engage, relax, and engage. And do this a couple times so that you start to feel really comfortable with getting to that moment, because you want this feeling to be second nature, to be just where your fingertips and your wrists go. So that when you're styling and you want that engagement, you're able to get there right away without having to think about it. So let's take both of those concepts with our wrists and our fingertips and do a drill with them so that we can start to work our muscles a little bit and stretch and strengthen them. First, I'll do it facing away from you, and we're gonna start with our right wrist. So palm faces away, we're gonna focus on our thumb side first, and we're gonna bring a rotation up and over with that wrist. So we'll take 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause right here with our palm facing towards us. Now pinky side of the hand goes away. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll take our left hand. 1, 2, 3, keeping that elbow in place. 4. Now pinky side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Focusing on the wrists. Now we'll take both hands up and we'll take thumb side first. 1, 2, 3, 4. And away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Now we'll take our finger engagement. So we'll bring our hand out, press the fingers away from each other, and relax. Again, 2, 3, 4. This time we'll push thumb and middle finger towards each other. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand. 1, spreading the fingers. 2, engaging and activating. 3, 4, middle finger and thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try both arms together. Using a mirror if you can, so that you can really see what's happening with your wrists, your middle finger, and your thumb at the end of that styling. We'll take 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's take a little arm styling choreography where we can use these concepts. I'll do it facing away, and then I'll do it facing you as well. The first one we're gonna do is we're gonna take that same wrist rotation with the right hand in that same angle. We're gonna bring thumb side in and down, and then we're gonna bring our hand towards our leg, wherever it lands. And for these wrist rotations, our goal is to stop with our palm facing the direction that we wanna end. So if we wanna end here, when we rotate our wrists, we're gonna stop here so that as we start to move the hand and the arm in space, we end up with our hand in the same position we wanna land it. So we're here, wrist rotation using the thumb and down. Same thing with the left side, rotate, palm faces away from you, and draw that arm down. Both together and down. So this is going to be 1, 3. We're gonna slide up 5, bring the hands out 6, and we'll stop there. Again, 1, 3, up 5, 6. And we'll end with the palms facing away from us, and now we'll allow our elbows to come in slightly. So we'll end here. 1, 3, slide up, elbows in. Same thing facing you. We'll go 1, 3, slide up, elbows in. All right, let's keep going. So we're here. 1, 3, 5, 6. We're gonna cross. Each hand is gonna go to the opposite shoulder, engaging thumb and middle finger now. 7. Facing you, so we were here on 6 with our elbows in. Push middle finger and thumb towards each other. 7. From the top, we go 1, down 3, slide up 5, 6, 7. Nice. Again. 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Very good. From here now, we're gonna bring our elbows up, keeping energy through the fingertips, so they're not gonna relax yet. We're gonna keep those palms open, facing away from us, right in front of our neck, chest area, but you wanna make sure you're not hiding your face. You're gonna extend the arms out, elbows stay where they are, and go all the way out to palms facing down. That same position we were in when we were working on our warm-up with our middle fingers and our thumbs down. Again from here. So you start here on 7, your elbows lift slightly, and as you separate your arms, you're gonna turn thumb side down, press away until you get to this position here where your arms are almost straight. Here you're gonna turn your palms down and push those middle fingers and thumbs down. So you get to this nice styled position. From the top with our arms, we go 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3. Facing you. 5, 6, 7, we go 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3. Nice. All right, so we're here on 3. We're going to keep the energy in our hands as we go 5, crossing at the wrists, 6, slide all the way down, 7 to our hips. Again, we're here on 3. We cross 5, bring the palms behind you and slide down 7. So chord beat count, 3, 5, 7. So keep the energy in your wrists, and you're gonna start to bend the wrists even more as you come up. Doesn't matter which wrist crosses here, and you're gonna allow the fingertips to relax even more, like they're dropping down with gravity as you bring your hands behind your head. Let's try that again. We're here on 3. Wrists start to draw together, doesn't matter which one's in front. You're gonna relax the fingertips, relax them even more as your arms come down, and then slide. Still, now middle finger reactivates as you take your caress down to your hips. From the top, nice and slow. We start with our palms out away from each other and our elbows up slightly. We scoop inward, wrists go 1. Palms face away, down to our thighs, 3. Slide up 5, elbows come in, 6. Activate the middle finger and the thumb, 7. Good. We come across, 1. Palms are right in front of our neck, chin area. We bring them out and pop the fingers down, 3. Bring them up, 5. Relax the fingertips as we cross the wrists, and down on 7. Again, we go 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7. Again, 5, 6, 7, we go 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. So you can also have little markers so that you know where you need to be on different places. So this is 3, you end here on 7. Let's add one more bar. So you finished 7. You're gonna bring your palms towards shoulder level, just slightly higher here. We're gonna scoop in again. 1, you're gonna go straight down now. 2, up 3, scoop again, same thing, 5, but this time down to your hips. 6, and up 7 to neutral. So you'd go back to your basic. Let's do that again. Palms go towards our shoulders. We're gonna scoop in 1, drop them straight down, 3, a little bit of energy through the middle finger and thumb, but notice they're not fully extended in that full engagement. Right here on 3, bring the arms up again, practicing our wrists and our relaxation in our hands. 5, we're gonna scoop again. So instead of sliding down, you're gonna scoop the hands at the same place. 6, 7, 1, 2, that's where you would go back to your basic. Again, we go 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's do our arm styling choreography. So we go 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, basic 2, 3. Same thing facing you. We go 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, with footwork, we're gonna step forward as we take our wrist rotation. 1, 3. As we slide up, we're gonna step together. 5, 6, we're not gonna move, so we won't count it in a second. We're here on 6, we're gonna slide 7 as we bring our hands towards our shoulders. We're gonna come back to our right foot, 1, and we're gonna step forward 3. Again, we go 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3. Good. From here, we're going to step together as we bring our hands up. 5, we're going to step back with a slide. 6, 7. Trying to keep the footwork simple because we're doing a lot with our upper body. So if we just did the footwork, we cross 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. With our styling, we cross 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. So we are on 7, finishing on our right foot. I'll do it facing you. We cross 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, so we're here on 7. We're gonna take a basic as we do our last bar of styling. We go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, basic 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Nice and simple at the end. Let's try just that last bar. So you're just taking a basic step. We go nice and slow. 1, 2, 3. As our feet go together, we scoop again. 5, 6, 7, basic 2, 3. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So to connect that, we're gonna step forward on 8 so we can take our basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again, this time we'll take a basic at the end. 5, 6, 7, cross 1, 3, feet together. 5, 7, open 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, basic. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. Facing you. Let's take a basic first to get into it. 5, 6, basic. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 6, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. With music. Just our styling, no footwork. 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 3, 5, 7, 1. We're going half time. 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7. Now, regular speed. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, basic. I know it's fast. Let's try half time again. Here we go. 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7. Now regular speed. 1, 2, 3, 5. Here we go. 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7. Let's try with our footwork slow first. Here we go. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, with the music. 5, 6, basic. 2, 3, 6, 7. And we go. 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. Basic. Again. Go. Go.